Hi, I'm going to share a vision I had a couple of years ago that the Holy Spirit reminded me of yesterday, I think it was, or the day before yesterday. I haven't had the opportunity to make a video, but I'm going to share the vision. Suddenly I found myself standing in front of this enormous bright light. It was like standing in front of the sun times 1,000. And I had some clothes on, and I tried to hide every part of my body from this bright light, because I felt like I was gonna be consumed by the intensity of this bright light. And as I crawled together in a corner, covering myself from this mighty bright light, a great voice said, "Nibiru." And then the vision ended. So I believe God made very clear to me that He has called me to share revelations regarding the coming object Nibiru and its cataclysms and its relation to the sixth seal and the trumpet judgments. Thanks for watching.